Neanderthals, our ancient relatives. Neanderthals were a group of early humans who lived in Europe and parts of Asia about 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. They are one of our closest relatives in the human family tree. Although they are often thought of as primitive, Neanderthals were skilled and adaptable beings who had many interesting features. Neanderthals were physically strong and robust. They had a larger skull than modern humans, with a prominent brow ridge and a wider nose. Their bodies were shorter and stockier, which helped them survive in cold climates. This body shape allowed them to retain heat more effectively. They were well adapted to the harsh conditions of Ice Age Europe. One of the most fascinating aspects of Neanderthals is their culture. They created tools made from stone, wood, and bone. These tools were designed for various purposes, such as hunting, gathering, and building. Neanderthals were skilled hunters and used sophisticated techniques to catch animals like mammoths and reindeer. They also gathered plants and fruits, showing that they had a diverse diet. Neanderthals are known to have lived in groups or small communities. They cared for their sick and elderly, which suggests that they had strong social bonds. Evidence shows that they buried their dead, often with tools and flowers, indicating a belief in an afterlife or some form of ritual. This behavior is similar to modern human practices. Another interesting fact is that Neanderthals used fire. They controlled fire for cooking, warmth, and protection from predators. This was crucial for their survival in harsh environments. They also made art, as evidenced by cave paintings and carved objects found in various sites. This shows that they had a sense of creativity and expression. However, Neanderthals eventually disappeared about 40,000 years ago. The reasons for their extinction are still debated among scientists. Some believe that they could not compete with modern humans for resources. Others suggest that climate change may have played a role, altering their habitats and food sources. Despite their extinction, Neanderthals have left a lasting legacy. Genetic studies show that many people of non-African descent carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA. This means that when modern humans migrated out of Africa, they interbred with Neanderthals. Neanderthals were remarkable beings with complex cultures and social structures. They were well adapted to their environments and demonstrated behaviors that we often associate with modern humans. Studying Neanderthals helps us understand our own evolution and the history of our species.